Hey guys, in this lesson we will have some commands regarding to modification commands regarding to or regarding with the lines. Okay, so number one, if we have a line like this, remember the line when we draw a line like this compared to a polyline like this. Okay, and enter. Remember, polyline is considered as one big block, right? One big block, right? Like this. Okay, however, this each one is considered as a separate line, right? Now we have a command in AutoCAD that makes one line joined with another one. How can I do this? Simply by clicking on join like this. Okay, so we will select this one to be joined with this one and this one, so these three will become one big line similar to the block feature. So if you go like this, you can see all of them became one block. Okay, they are not exactly block, however they are now continuous or joined together. Okay, similar to a polyline. That's the first thing that we can do using join. Another one that I would like to discuss, let's say I will have a line like this. Let's activate the orthogonal like this and draw this line. Okay, and enter. And let's draw, for example, like this circle like this. Okay, and I would like to offset this object. What I mean by offset? Offset means that I would like to move this object as it is, form a copy of it with a certain distance, let's say 10 meters upward. How can I do this? Simply select it like this and type offset like this. Specify distance, so you can add the distance that you would like to add. So let's say 500 and enter. Then it will tell you specify point on site to offset. You would like to offset this object here or here. Let's say I would like to offset it here like this. Select object to offset. Okay, this one like this. Okay, so if you go up here like this, okay, I will show you why. You see like this. You see, these three are offset to each other. Why does it very small like this? Because the scale itself is very large. So if I go down here and select this object to offset upward like this, you can see it offsets. Select it like this and offset. Select and offset and etc. Okay, the scale is just very large. Okay, similarly, if you have a circle like this and would like to offset it, you can simply say offset OF and specify the distance. You can put it as you would like, or just you can just add the distance, or you can simply say what distance you would like. So for example, I would like it like this distance as an offset. Okay, it gives you the distance as you would like. I will say I would like to offset by this one like this and enter. Click on the mouse, sorry. Then select the object to offset. I say this one that I would like to offset. Okay, it says like this. Inside it can't, outside it can, like this. You can select to offset like this, offset like this. Okay, so now you are offsetting the object outside as you would like. If you go to this, you can offset like this. Okay, that is an offset feature that is very helpful in our drawings. Okay, so that's what we call offset. Okay, great. Let's delete all of this, skip and Control A, then delete. Okay, what the next thing that we would like to do? Another option that we would like to do is that, let's say that we have a room like this. Okay, this is a room and I would like to make a door here. Okay, so first step is that we have here a rectangle, right? So if you go like this, it is a complete block, right? One complete block or block. So let's just explode this one. This can be exploded into 4 lines. So if I select it like this and explode, EX, like this, you can see that this rectangle is now separate for 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now let's say I would like to, this one, I would like to cut a part of it in order to form a door at which we enter this room and go out from it. So how can I form a door here? Simply, you can simply do this using something which we call break. Break like this, break like this. Select the object that you would like to work with, this one. Okay, now we will click here to select the first point like this. So I would like to select it from where I would like to make a door, from here to like this to here. So what you can see, it now makes you an open area so that you can make a door here. Okay, so now you have a door that you can go through. So again, break. So let's use a line, a normal line, to understand this. So we have a line like this and skip. And if I would like to cut part of it, click on break like this. Select the object. You can see that at the point of selection it forms the break, right? However, if I don't need this one, I need a different point, I simply click here, first point, then select any point I would like from here to here like this. Okay, that is what we call break inside the AutoCAD program. Okay,